We're doing the WL version of the swing arms. They just came in. Come in a package like this. All the hardware you need to do all front and back. I started the front, did the first side, walk through the other side, and be a quick video. Just wanted to show the difference. So this is the LC Racing version. And then the WL that just came out, just came off pre-order. They're all aluminum. They come together. The LC Racing, those don't come together. You have to put them together. And they give you these nice aluminum end plates as well. So they look pretty nice. They're a little thicker. They go in pretty easy. Yeah, so it'll be a quick one. We just throw the screw in there, tighten her down, be done. Just piece of cake. So the WL comes with a standard screw silver one. The LC Racing has a hex nut. It's much better quality, obviously. About the same price though, both of these things. This side I took the arm off because it's easier to get at this, and probably easier to see too. You have these little mounts there. Set that in there, that in there. Get it lined up right. It'll be good. There we go. Now these do wonders keeping your wheels on the ground when you're going around tight corners and whatnot. I have noticed a difference. The last part is they give you a little set screw. It's the 1.5 hex. It's a little guy. Get it on there. Get it there. And there's a little hole right there. So you get it started. Once you get it started, you want tension on it. That's the idea. It pushes down, so you're going to want to push it through a little and then tighten her up. And then you just put it back together. It's better to have the dog bone in there first. Try this again. Almost done. Put the shock on. So yeah, there it goes. set screws set pretty high, so. But that's it. Probably carry on cleaning up and fast forward. Looks like I'm missing a screw here from the last time we were out. Just make sure everything's buttoned up, wiped down. This one's all done. Only had to put them in the front because the back is a metal diff case, because this is our basher, so this one only gets one in the front. This one's getting the LC upgrade, so that's what's next. We'll get the WL off the bench. She's ready to go. Once the snow goes away, we can take it for a rip. Yep, all done with the sway bars or anti-roll bars. So, quick synopsis. This one we put it out in front. The rear we can't do because it's got a metal diff. This is our basher. And this one we took the LC Racing sway bars, put them on the EAT. This has got the most LC parts on it. It's got the center diff, it's all that, so I figured it makes more sense. You see it now, it's mounted in there. It's got standard stuff. They do give you hex bolts, but they keep rolling out. It might be the LCs are a little bit smaller. Either way, I just noticed that. I'll have to put another one in. And then my stock WL. This is the one thing that's not stock, but Lauren likes the sway bars, so she's fine with it. You can see the WL style. It's all metal. Now, I will say this. The LC Racing, I get them from Riptide. They come with 2 sets. They're marked front and rear. They are a little different, and they have 1 and 1.2s. Now, that's for each one, so you can run them harder or lighter. You see this one, I run the 1.2s on the Ishi. The WL kind, while it's metal and all, you get one kind, you don't know what its strength is, so you're going to have to buy some anyways to figure it out if you want to get really technical. These are probably fine for the WL bashers and all that, but when you're paying almost the same price as the LC, I'd almost expect it to be the same. Now, time will tell if these aluminum things are better or worse, or if they are stiffer over the plastic. I don't know. So at some point I'll figure that out. Either way, that's about all I got on this. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have another video out. But yeah, like and subscribe and all that. And I hope you enjoyed it. I know I kind of cut my thought there somewhere, but I think I've spoke enough about it. Anyways, till I see ya, like and subscribe.